Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most famous robots on the planet. You've seen those viral videos of a bright yellow, four-legged robot, right? It's impossible to scroll through your feed without catching a glimpse of this futuristic pup. That's Spot, a true rock star in robotics, turning heads wherever it goes and capturing the imagination of millions. People see Spot and just stop in their tracks, mesmerized by its lifelike movements and undeniable presence. This isn't your average robot vacuum. Spot is a high-tech marvel from Boston Dynamics, designed to handle tasks that most machines can't even dream of. It's the Beyoncé of bots, the Tom Hanks of tech, instantly recognizable and universally admired. For years, robots in movies were either world destroyers or clumsy sidekicks. Spot is different. It's the real deal, bridging the gap between science fiction and reality. It's sleek, smart, and moves with lifelike grace, almost as if it's got a mind of its own. When you see it, you wonder, is it an animal or a machine? The line between the two blurs right before your eyes. It's both, and it's blowing minds everywhere it goes, sparking curiosity and excitement in people of all ages. Spot isn't locked away in a lab. It's out in the real world, doing real jobs, helping on construction sites, inspecting dangerous environments, and more. The future is here, and it's cooler than you thought. Spot is leading the charge into a new era of robotics. I've had A-list guests on my show, but Spot stole the spotlight, charming everyone in the studio and at home. It's got personality and presence. You almost forget it's a machine and start to see it as a character in its own right. This dog can read blueprints, inspect power plants, and tackle tasks that keep people safe. Boston Dynamics didn't just build a robot. They created an icon, a symbol of what's possible when innovation meets imagination. Spot is a symbol of innovation and a leap forward in what's possible, inspiring the next generation of engineers and dreamers. It's not just about looking cool, it's about going where people can't, doing dangerous jobs and making our world safer, one step at a time. Spot isn't just a celebrity, it's a pioneer, redefining what robots can do and how they fit into our lives. Let's talk about how Spot moves. This isn't your average robot. Spot's movement is something you have to see to believe. It walks, trots, climbs stairs, and navigates rocky trails, better than most people. Whether it's indoors or out in the wild, Spot handles it all with ease. The agility is wild. It moves with purpose and fluidity, almost like it's alive. Every step is calculated, every turn is smooth, and it never seems to hesitate. Most robots freeze at stairs. Spot just tilts, steps up, and keeps going. It doesn't break its stride, no matter how tricky the path gets. It handles uneven ground, regains balance if pushed, and adjusts in real time. You can try to trip it up, but Spot just recovers and keeps moving. It's like a mountain goat mixed with a gymnast. The way it balances and leaps is almost athletic. But here's the showstopper. Spot can dance. Yes, you heard that right. This robot's got rhythm. We played music and Spot busted out moves. The running man, twerking, even synchronized routines with other Spots. It's not just random movement, it's real choreography. It's like a robotic boy band. Watching them move together is both hilarious and impressive. Programming a robot to have rhythm? That's next-level engineering. It takes serious skill to make a machine groove to a beat. The dancing isn't just for fun, it proves Spot's dynamic stability. Every spin and step is a test of its balance and control. It can handle unpredictable situations, sharp turns, and shifting ground. No matter what you throw at it, Spot adapts instantly. This is crucial for real-world jobs, construction sites, disaster zones, you name it. Spot's skills aren't just for show, they're built for tough environments. Spot's ability to stay on its feet is what makes it so valuable. It's reliable, even when things get rough. The dancing is fun, but it's also proof of some seriously amazing engineering. Every move is a showcase of what robotics can do. Spot's moves aren't just cool, they're practical. This robot is ready for action wherever it's needed. That's why it's a game changer. Spot isn't just a dancing robot, it's the future of mobility and robotics. How does Spot stay balanced? No magic, no tiny person inside, just artificial intelligence. Spot's AI brain makes thousands of calculations every second. It's not just following a path, it's thinking on its feet, literally. The AI takes in sensor data and constantly adjusts each leg to keep Spot upright. If one foot slips, the others compensate instantly. This is called dynamic stability. Spot flexes and moves with its environment. The AI predicts what's next, like a world-class athlete. And it's always learning. Every step, every obstacle, Spot gets smarter. Machine learning lets it adapt to new terrain and challenges. The more it works, the better it gets. Spot isn't just programmed, it's educated. That's what makes it truly intelligent. For Spot's AI to work, it needs to see the world, so it's loaded with advanced sensors. Its 3D cameras give it a 360-degree, three-dimensional view. These cameras work like our eyes, letting Spot judge depth and distance. Cameras all around mean no blind spots. Spot can walk backward or sideways with confidence. It constantly builds a 3D map of its environment in real time. For even more precision, Spot can use LIDAR, shooting out thousands of laser beams to map its surroundings, even in the dark. This combo of 3D cameras and LIDAR gives Spot superhuman perception. It can see things we can't and avoid obstacles with ease. Its sensors feed a constant stream of data to its AI brain. That's how Spot makes split-second decisions and moves smoothly. Seeing and thinking, Spot does both, better than any robot before it. That's how it navigates the world. Spot isn't just a fancy toy, it's a working dog with real jobs. Companies use Spot for tasks that are tough, dangerous, or just plain boring for humans. Think huge factories or power plants. Someone has to check equipment, read gauges, and look for problems. Spot can patrol these places, equipped with cameras and sensors, collecting reliable data. It can get close to hot, loud machinery with zero risk. This is automated inspection. Spot reads gauges, checks temperatures, and sends data back to human operators. Humans can focus on analyzing data, not just gathering it. Spot can also listen for gas leaks, detect chemicals, and carry all kinds of sensors. It's a mobile platform for any tool you need. That's why it's so useful across industries. Spot is a Swiss Army knife on 4 legs. Where does Spot make a difference? Let's take a closer look at the real-world impact of this remarkable robot. Construction is a big one. On busy sites, there's always something happening, and safety is a constant concern. Construction sites are chaotic and dangerous. Spot can scan the site daily with LIDAR, creating a perfect 3D map. This detailed mapping helps teams see progress and spot issues before they become costly problems. Managers compare scans to blueprints, spotting problems early and keeping projects on track. With Spot, they can make smarter decisions faster, reducing delays and saving money. Spot saves time, keeps people out of danger, and navigates tricky terrain with ease. It can go where humans might slip or get hurt, making the site safer for everyone. But Spot's work goes beyond construction. Its versatility means it's ready for any challenge, anytime. In disaster zones, after earthquakes or hurricanes, Spot can go in first, sending live video to rescue teams. It's often the first set of eyes in places too risky for people. It can carry radios, search for survivors, and provide critical info without risking human lives. Spot's sensors and cameras help rescuers make life-saving decisions quickly. In hazardous places like nuclear plants or deep mines, Spot inspects, measures, and checks for danger remotely. It can detect leaks, measure radiation, or check air quality, all from a safe distance. It's the eyes and hands of experts who can't be there in person. Spot brings their expertise right to the heart of the action, no matter how dangerous. In these scenarios, Spot isn't just efficient, it's a lifesaver. It helps save time, resources, and most importantly, lives. It's a brave little robot, going where no human should have to. That's real impact, making the impossible possible. Spot is more than a tool. It's a hero, changing the way we work and protect each other. Spot can walk and see, but to be truly helpful, it needs hands. Enter the Spot arm, a robotic arm that mounts on its back. With this, Spot can open doors, pick up objects, and carry tools. Opening a door sounds simple, but for a robot it's a huge challenge. Spot does it autonomously. Now it can move between rooms and complete tasks without help. The arm isn't just for doors, it can fetch tools, carry packages, and drag heavy objects. It can turn valves, flip switches, and push buttons. Experts can even operate Spot remotely to perform repairs in hard-to-reach places. The Spot arm transforms Spot from a mobile sensor into a true helper. It's the difference between just looking at a problem and actually solving it. Spot is a gopher, a technician, and a helper, all in one. Picture this. It's 2 a.m. Your warehouse is empty, except for Spot, patrolling in the dark. Automated security is one of Spot's top jobs. It never gets tired, never misses a detail, and sees perfectly in the dark. Spot patrols set routes, using thermal cameras to detect people or unusual heat sources. If it spots something odd, it sends an alert, photo or video to a human guard. Spot doesn't confront intruders. It provides fast, accurate info. Unlike fixed cameras, Spot is mobile, checking under desks, behind shelves, and in every corner. It's a dynamic presence and a strong deterrent. Spot doesn't replace guards. It makes their jobs safer and smarter. The robot gathers intelligence, humans make decisions. Together, they're a powerful security team. We've seen Spot at work, but imagine it as your personal assistant. Picture Spot pouring your coffee, holding a picture frame, or carrying groceries. Lost your TV remote? Spot could find it with its cameras and arm. Need to take out the trash in the rain? Spot's waterproof, no problem. The possibilities are endless and hilarious. For now, Spot is a pro tool, but it's a glimpse into a future where robots help in daily life. Not as overlords, but as companions and assistants. A bright yellow robot dog could be part of the family. A four-legged friend who never sheds and helps with homework.